Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Maps offline in 2025. This is perfect if you're traveling to a place with poor internet or no data connection. You can save maps ahead of time and still get directions without being online. Step 1. Open Google Maps and make sure you're signed into your Google account. In the search bar, type the name of the city or area you want to download. Step 2. Once the map loads, tap on the area name at the bottom of the screen to open the details page. Then look for the option that says Download Offline Map. Click it. Step 3. Adjust the blue box to cover the area you want to save. Google Maps will show you how much space it will take on your device. When ready, tap Download. The map will start saving. Step 4. After it's downloaded, you can open Google Maps anytime, even without the internet. Just search for places inside your saved area, and it will still give you directions and landmarks offline. Step 5. To manage or update your offline maps, tap on your profile picture. Select Offline Maps, and you'll see all your saved areas. You can rename, delete, or refresh them easily. And that's it. That's how you use Google Maps offline in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.